Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the minimal file set and a manifest v3 because Chrome requires explicit permissions and entry points. This avoids runtime surprises. Once done, open the folder in your code editor and draft manifest. JSON with name, version, action, and host permissions. Make a basic pop-up. HTML and a background service worker file. Make sure to add at least the icons 16, 48, and 128px. Then enable developer mode in Chrome. / extensions to load the unpacked extension and iterate fast. Now implement the core. The background service worker handles long-lived events and coordinate state, which is why you avoid heavy computation there. It sends messages to content scripts. Build the pop-up UI with clean HTML and scoped CSS and wire buttons to Chrome. Runtime. Send message to trigger actions. Inject content scripts for DOM manipulation on target pages, declared in manifest under content scripts with matches patterns. Once messages are working, test flow end-to-end and log messages to console for visit. Finish by testing permissions and content security policy because CSB blocks inline scripts. Migrate to external JS if needed. Once done, increment manifest version, compress assets, and prepare store assets and a clear description. Pack the extension locally to sanity check the CRX, then submit to the Chrome Web Store and follow review instructions. If something breaks, check console errors and permission scopes first. Often a missing host permissions or CSB rule is the cause, and adjusting manifest fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.